Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Calaveras, Stanislaus, and Tuloneme. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Tuloneme County in northern California, east central Stanislaus County in central California, south central Calaveras County in northern California, until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Long Barn, or 10 miles east of Sonora, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sonora, Tuttletown, Vallecito, Keystone, Springfield, Chinese Camp, Carson Hill, Copperpolis, Phoenix Lake Cedar, Michigan, Blood Village, Twain Hart, Groveland Big Oak Flat, Monte Vista, Columbia, Jamestown, Buck Meadows FS, Groveland Big Oak, Phoenix Lake Cedar Ridge, East Sonora, and Tuolumne City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: Calaveras, Stanislaus, and Tuloneme.